Welcome to the elf who saved Christmas! It was Christmas Eve at the North Pole, and the elves were busy finishing their holiday preparations. What was that? But suddenly, a loud crash echoed through the workshop. Oliver ran outside and gasped. The sleigh was damaged from the strong winter storm.
Without the sleigh, we can't deliver presents.
Santa arrived, looking worried. What happened to Santa's sleigh? It got painted. It was damaged in a storm. Or it was hidden by elves. The answer is it was damaged in a storm. Santa, maybe we can fix the sleigh. Don't worry, I'll find a way. Oliver stepped forward.
Thank you, Oliver. I believe in you.
Santa smiled. Oliver went to find his friend Spark, who was known for his clever ideas. Spark, we need to fix the sleigh fast. Can you help me? Oliver asked eagerly. Who did Oliver ask for help to fix the sleigh? Oliver asked Spark for help to fix the sleigh. True, or false? The answer is true.
I have an idea. Let's gather some tools and get to work.
Spark grinned. Together, they started fixing the broken runner with hammers, screws, and a bit of Christmas magic.
We're almost there.
Spark said excitedly, tightening the last screw. Just as they finished, a jingle sound filled the air. The sleigh was as good as new. What did Oliver and Spark do to the sleigh? Painted it, hid it, or fixed it? The answer is fixed it.
You did it. Thank you, Oliver and Spark.
Santa arrived and clapped his hands. We couldn't have done it without teamwork, Oliver said, giving Spark a high five.
Now, let's load the gifts. We have a busy night ahead.
Santa said. Oliver and Spark worked together, loading each gift carefully onto the sleigh. What did Oliver and Spark load onto the sleigh? Gifts, snowballs, or food? The answer is gifts.
Thanks to you, Christmas is saved.
With the sleigh loaded, Santa climbed aboard and waved.
Merry Christmas, Oliver. Merry Christmas, Spark.
Santa called as he flew off into the night. Oliver and Spark watched the sleigh disappear into the night, feeling proud and happy. That Christmas, Oliver learned that with courage and teamwork, even the biggest challenges can be overcome.